In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from Proton VPN. If you recently paid for Proton VPN and want your money back, the good news is that Proton VPN generally offers a 30-day money-back guarantee for eligible paid subscriptions. That means if your purchase falls within their refund window, you may be able to request a refund fairly easily. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the process clearly so you know exactly what to do. First, sign into your Proton account. Open the Proton account login page and enter your account credentials to access your account. Make sure you're logging into the same account that was used to purchase the subscription, since the refund request will need to match the active paid plan on file. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to manage your subscription settings directly from your account area. Next, cancel your subscription. After logging in, go to Settings, then look for either Dashboard or Subscription, depending on how the account interface appears. From there, click Manage Subscription, and then choose Cancel Subscription. This step is important because it stops future billing and also shows support that you no longer want the service to renew. Take a moment to read any on-screen messages carefully during cancellation, so you understand when your current access ends and whether the cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of the billing period. After that, contact Proton Support. Go to the Proton Support contact form and choose the support category that best matches billing or subscription issues. In your message, clearly explain that you would like to request a refund. You should include the account email address tied to the purchase date, and the reason for the refund request. Keep your message polite and direct. A short, clear explanation usually works best and can help avoid delays in processing. Once your request has been submitted, the final step is simply to wait for a response. Proton Support will review your request and determine whether your purchase qualifies under their refund policy. If it does, the refund will be processed for you. Keep in mind that even after approval, refunds can take several business days to show up, depending on your payment method and your bank or card provider. If you don't see the refund right away, that doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem. Processing times can vary, so it's a good idea to give it a little time before following up. That's it. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll give yourself the best chance of getting your Proton VPN refund smoothly and quickly.